What's up, Get Your Teach On, and welcome to the Flip Side Podcast. We are doing something a little different. Season 3, the start of Season 3.
Yeah, it's going to be a fun one.
We are backstage at GYTO Fest 2025, and we have two really amazing people with us. Welcome to the Flip Side Couch, Mario and Courtney Lopez.
I like the flip side. What's the genesis behind that? Just like the behind the scenes?
So the flip side is, in the first 2 seasons of this podcast, we talked about both sides of education. So, usually people have different perspectives, but the only way through is to talk about it. And a lot of times people don't want to have those conversations to where it's okay to disagree or to agree to disagree.
Yeah.
That's
so,
life.
Yeah, talking about all angles
What
of
were
it.
both sides?
So just depending on, again, some people feel one way about a curriculum, some people feel another way, some people think you need to teach like this, some people think you need to teach like that.
Understood.
So just kind of
Got it.
exploring all the different, I guess,
No right or wrong.
perspectives. No right or wrong.
Okay.
Open-minded,
It's
yeah.
just about conversations.
Fair enough. I like
It's
it.
about conversations.
I like
so,
it. Okay.
so we're going to get started. We're going to play a little game with you guys.
Okay. Oh,
Okay.
boy.
Are y'all ready for this?
Yes, I love
Okay.
it.
We're going to see if you earn your GYTO teacher license. Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm gonna fail.
Oh, you got it.
Right
No,
now.
we will.
Okay.
We'll see.
This is going to
Okay.
be fun. So it's going to be called Say That Again. I'm going to give you an educational acronym, and you're going to tell me what you think it means.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, let's see it.
All right, so here we go. The first
First
one
one.
is RTI.
RTI. RTI stands for Real Talented Individuals.
I like that though.
That's
Courtney,
it's
what-
not
Try to keep it
right, but I
positive.
give it
Not
I
right,
give
but
it
it's
an
okay.
A for effort.
Yeah.
Courtney, what do you think?
I think it stands for Real Talk Individuals.
We like it. We like
By the way, I
answer.
have a question,
Okay,
teacher.
okay.
I thought an acronym had to spell out an actual word for it to be considered an acronym.
Okay, well,
Yeah, I don't think it's an acronym
Yeah,
there.
that's-
There we go.
God, it should
might
be an
go.
abbreviation.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
terms, definitions, references. Maybe I just lost my teeth. You know what?
like the RICO Act, right? It's the racketeering infiltration.
Yeah.
You know
You're going to go ahead and you're just going to get your license.
Wow.
Right now.
Okay,
I'm gonna
Just
get a license.
right now.
Okay,
Principal
okay.
Lopez over
He was
here.
trying to be
I know.
real smart. Yeah, so.
I know, Mr. Lopez.
Okay, what's the
what
next
would you
one?
like to teach? Okay,
So
it's
that's-
actually, let me tell you what it is.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Response to intervention. So it's a system for helping students, and all students meet their potential, but early on.
Oh,
right.
Okay, so you're going to learn some
I
things.
like that.
All right.
what you got, Wade?
Yeah. So this one, you have to describe what this is. Okay. So what is an anchor chart?
Anchor chart.
An anchor chart.
An anchor chart, yes.
In the class.
An anchor chart isn't
Yes.
your normal chart. An anchor chart is not your basic fly-by-night chart.
true, it is.
An anchor chart is a chart that just holds everything down.
Uh-huh.
That it's the foundation of all charts.
Yeah.
Hence the anchor chart.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I mean, kind
Yeah.
of.
Okay, I'm going to go with you with anchor. It holds it down. I think it's the foundation of
I just
the
said that.
curriculum and
Okay.
everything that you preach,
You don't copy
everything
me, no, that's
that-
exactly what I said.
that you, it's the anchor.
Yeah.
Shit, it's the anchor.
It's actually just a big poster of like strategies or steps for something. That's right. It
there we
anchors the
go.
knowledge.
Follow.
Yes,
see?
it anchors
The kids
See,
can
not so
reference
bad.
or
Okay.
fill in the blank.
Listen,
I
you,
should
you
totally be a
didn't just
teacher.
solve.
There
You
you go.
didn't. You didn't just cure cancer. Anchor means we know what anchor means.
You totally
Well,
copied me. You
to
totally
be
copied me.
fair, you did kind of grow up on a school set, so you do have
Yeah,
that
that
working
is
for you a
true.
little bit.
What if
Okay.
they had anchor charts
Okay,
out
the
there,
next
though?
one. PBIS.
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 PB.
Not PBS.
PBIS.
PBIS.
That's right.
That stands for
This should be good. We like the thought.
probably better inside schools.
Oh,
Wow.
I love
Creativity,
that.
though.
Amen.
The
Hallelujah for
creativity
that.
on that is.
BIS.
It's sort of like TGIF, but PBIS.
Oh man, those are the good old days.
PBIS. Can you use that in a sentence, please?
Yes, I can. It is actually positive behavior intervention and supports.
Okay, good, because
That's
I
a
was going
lot.
to say public bowels.
Oh,
Okay.
oh boy.
It is, I mean,
Public
it is giving a
restrooms.
little bit IBS. Unlike
Yeah.
PBS, it's all in there.
Right,
Just
right.
Sounds
remind
like
me.
it.
Okay, one more. Wade, which one are you going to choose?
Exit ticket.
Oh.
An exit ticket. What is that?
An exit ticket is when a kid has just
Uh-oh.
not behaved himself. He's been so unruly. Detention doesn't do it anymore. The principal finally puts down that, throws the hammer down and says, hey, kid, exit ticket. You're out of here.
There you go.
AKA suspended.
Oh boy.
Oh, okay.
Do you guys call it ET?
No, it's just an exit.
No
ticket.
exit ticket.
Yeah.
Okay.
But nice.
Yeah.
It's when you go to the bathroom. It's a fancy way of saying,
Saying, I gotta exit and
go
go."
poo-poo.
Yeah.
Got an exit.
You got poo-poo.
Okay.
Okay, what is it? Wait.
A quick activity students complete before leaving the classroom to check for mastery of whatever it is. So
It's like the final,
Yeah.
like a little assessment that you give as a teacher to see, did they master this today? Did they
Yeah.
not?
Oh, okay, got it. I went severe with it.
it's fine.
Yeah.
That makes sense,
Yeah.
though. It
It-
makes sense.
Yeah, you know
I
what, kid?
like
You're
that.
getting your
We
exit
like the
ticket.
creativity.
That's right.
Okay. So thank you guys for joining us for our
like the
little
game.
game of Say That Again. Maybe you picked up a little bit of educational knowledge, for the streets, in case you ever
I don't remember any of those words. That we just
We will recap and do an exit ticket when we leave to make sure that you got it.
Exit
There we
ticket,
go.
RTI.
Okay, so we just got a few questions for you guys. It's going to be short, sweet, to the point. But you guys just keep coming back to get your teach on.
I know.
First of all, we're just so grateful. We're so thankful to have people like you in our corner. What keeps bringing you back to get your, we try to tell you guys to stay home, and you actually won't stay home. When you guys had the LA fires, we had to make you stay home and not come. So what keeps bringing you back?
Well, we love you guys and think what you're doing is awesome. And I see how the people respond, and you're like rock stars out here. We were just talking about it, and teachers have had such a huge impact in my life, and I still remember clearly many times where it was a pivotal moment, and they just intervened and really again had an impact and made a difference. And so, if I could do a little part to just kind of highlight them, showcase their efforts, and raise the awareness level, I think it's a great thing.
Yeah, and every time I come back here, you guys never cease to amaze me. I see more things that you're doing, and you literally are superheroes to all of these teachers here. They just go crazy when they see you. And I've always said that to work with kids, you have to be a special person. You have to have I could never do it. During COVID, I thought I was going to.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, that's where you really had to respect and appreciate.
That's
When
you
I
really
was a
felt it deep.
stay-at-home teacher,
Yes.
learning the ATI for the ITO.
Yeah.
No, but what you guys are doing is absolutely incredible, and I just can't wait to see next year's your 10-year anniversary.
10th anniversary, which is
awesome.
crazy.
You guys are killing it.
Yeah. So you guys are the proud parents of 3 amazing kids. We've gotten to meet them, and they're incredible, just like you guys. What have your kids taught you about education? What have you learned through them?
I've learned that education evolves too. Like math is different. Who knew
Yes,
that?
yeah.
Their approach to teaching is different. The curriculums change. They don't do cursive anymore.
No.
Nobody.
Our
knows
kids
how to
do.
It's coming
Our
back.
kids do. but
We
it's coming
taught
back.
them
Like,
cursive.
but my
Everything
point
is a cycle, yep.
it changes,
Yep.
and it's like wow, and it seems to be a little bit more advanced now. They're learning things at a much younger age than
Yeah.
from what I did. So, I am kind of blown away. I'll and try to just be supportive because Lord knows if they need help, I'm getting a tutor.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do what you can, right?
Yeah, exactly.
It's one of those things to where you've really got to lock in. I mean, even with homework, like I know that your kids do have homework. What does that look like for you guys when they come home or they have a test? Like, how does that look? I know they're involved in many sports and activities and all these things. How do you prioritize their education at home?
Well, it's always number one. School always comes first. They do have a lot of outside activities, which at the same time I think complements what they're doing. But schools comes first. Their grades got to be up.
Yep.
If that starts to slip and they're struggling, then we pull back on the other stuff. So that's number one priority. And thank God for Google and ChatGPT because I wouldn't know.
Yeah, same. But for you guys too, and just to that point, the kids are busy. You guys are busy. You're everywhere. You're still filming movies. You've got radio shows and all the things that you do. Teachers have a lot on their plate too. How do you guys stay present? Because I think a lot of times as teachers, we really struggle. It's just like checking a box, next thing on my to-do list, next thing on my to-do list. And we forget to really just enjoy those small moments of life. So what do you guys do at home as two really busy people, mom, dad, all the other hats and titles you wear, just to kind of stay present in the moment and enjoy the little things?
I think I volunteer at the kids' schools all the time. I make it a point to be there,
Yeah, she's
whether
really
it's
good
art
about that.
class or, the father-daughter dance, putting that on. And I just think it's really important to have those moments because it's not really what the kids get. They just remember you being there.
Yeah.
And they, you know, like I remember I couldn't take Dominic. I had to work, and I couldn't go to his school, and he was so upset. But I was there for so many other things. But they remember those little things. Driving for field trips, you know. I was the bad mom, and I was like, we're going to stop at Starbucks.
Heck yeah.
And our car stopped at Starbucks on the way there. But like those little moments, it really means a lot to them.
Yeah, I
so.
think being just a constant presence is sort of priceless too. Just to kind of have that anchor, no pun intended.
Yeah.
To be home and let them know that they have someone there that loves and cares for them and is there no matter what. Then I think that makes a world of difference for kids.
Yeah, and I think, so much of it, I think we overthink it a lot as parents that we have to do these grand gestures when really it's just talking. It's just
exactly.
and being there,
They just want you to be
showing
there,
them you're
yeah.
interested, showing them you care. And so, as teachers, even teachers who are moms specifically or dads, when you're pouring into every other child all day long and then you have your own at home.
How do you juggle that? You go home and you have no energy.
Yeah, and I think that's just important for us to remember as educators who are parents is you don't have to have a ton of time, but make the time that you do have matter and make it count and be intentional with that, even though that's hard, but that's what we signed up for as parents. Parenting is not easy. I think we can all agree.
No parent is
So,
perfect.
yeah. No, absolutely
We
not.
just try our hardest.
Well, yeah, there's no manual and there's no there's no book on how to, right? I mean, I think if you just come from a place of love and acceptance, and you really kind of can't go wrong, and you're united, you don't want to be on different pages either.
Yeah.
I mean, I still don't know what I'm doing 3 kids in. I just wake up and do the best I can.
That's it.
Just,
do the
that's
best
all you can
that
do.
Well, and that's what we say all the time to teachers too. Like, parents are sending their best to the classroom every single day. That kid they've tried hard. They're sending their best, and just be mindful of that as an educator. That hey, this is someone's kid, man. They're trying their darndest. This is where we're at. So.
Okay, so for our last question, it's going to be a fill in the blank, and then we're going to do a quick rapid fire.
Okay.
I wish every teacher knew. Finish the sentence. I wish every teacher knew what?
Well, that's good.
Sure.
I wish every teacher knew how much parents really appreciate and respect them, because I think everyone knows how tough a position they're in. So, God bless them.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel the same way. I mean, I know my kids, so I know what they have to deal with at school.
Yeah, it's tough. It's a tough job, but I think again, it's just about recognizing that we do have people in our corner, we do have people supporting us, and really leaning on that, than leaning on all of the negative that you do, because that's any profession. We were talking, about the entertainment industry, and every profession has its negative aspects, but focusing on the good, focusing on the positive, focusing on the people who are there to support you.
Correct.
Okay, so quick little rapid fire.
Yeah, this can be fun.
Okay, you gonna start?
Yeah, I'll start first. All right. First job ever. What was it?
Like professional job?
Yeah,
Or just
any job.
or-
Just what did you get paid for?
Oh, first one, I was working in the summer for my uncle's landscaping company.
Heck yeah.
And I was
Wait,
picking
too!
out-
Landscaping, irrigation, baby.
Maybe this is why you guys have become such
Exactly.
great
There we go.
friends.
Come on.
I just was like kind of digging dishes and throwing trash. That was it. That was it.
Heck yeah.
I was 6 years old and did Annie. I was Molly and Annie on stage.
Oh, look at you.
Super little performer. Yeah.
But then I worked at Champ Sports when I was
Oh,
15.
hey, she's a
Champs?
sporty girl.
Champs.
Yes.
Okay. What was your first job, Hope?
My first job was cleaning homes with my mom, because she
that
had a
is
house
true.
cleaning business,
Yep.
and she serviced 60 clients every week, and so I
She
would
did
clean
do
homes
that.
with
I
her.
did that.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Favorite childhood book. Oh man, I gotta think about this too. Favorite childhood book.
Or a book that you read to your kids.
Yeah, book. Yeah.
Well, it's funny because a book that I read to my kids is my favorite childhood book. I remember all Judy Blume's books were so much fun.
Oh,
Super
yeah.
Fudge, Tales of a Fourth Grade.
Oh,
Nothing.
Super Fudge is
Yeah.
such a
It
good
was
one.
great.
Oh,
And then
that's-
as I got a little older, I remember Catcher in the Rye had a big impact.
Okay,
As I
okay.
got a little bit older. Do you remember?
Oh my gosh, I really don't. I don't know. This isn't rapid fire.
I know, I'm not.
She just started reading.
I just started reading.
You come back and let us know. Come back and let us know what your favorite book was later on.
Yeah,
We'll explore that in our
read
next
to the
episode
kids.
together.
Well, Sonny doesn't really let him. He doesn't want me to read to him.
That's
He
Maverick.
loves
I
going
get
to the
it.
library
I get
at
it.
school
Yep.
to take out the books for the week.
Yep.
And then when we bring them home, he brings them home. I'm like, the next step is to read it. So
Yeah,
that's
you've
what
got
we have
to
to do.
not look at it.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's Maverick all day.
Yeah.
Good golf.
Superhero stuff.
Yeah, same
Yeah.
for Maverick. Usually non-fiction.
I Love
We
You,
that
Stinky
kind of
Face.
stuff.
Oh,
Yeah.
You know that book? I remember that one was a
Yeah.
cute one.
Okay, who would make a better middle school teacher?
Which one of you?
Which one of
Which
you?
one?
Middle school teacher.
That's a tough age.
You
Mario,
would.
that's you.
I think, well, the only subjects that I really, other than math, I'd be the worst math teacher in the world because it stopped like in the 5th grade.
Yeah.
I think my learning. But I really always did pretty well in history and in English. I've always loved history, even now.
Okay,
Yeah.
we'll sign you up for middle school. Let's let you go in to a middle school classroom for a week and sub. That would be amazing.
yeah.
The kids would love
That's
you.
a tough age, too.
Who would be a
Middle
stricter
school's
teacher,
crazy.
Mario or Courtney?
Would be the what?
Strict.
Stricter.
Most strict.
I mean, I'm pretty strict. She's pretty strict, too, though.
Yeah.
I think
You are not strict with our kids.
What are you talking about? I'm totally
I
strict.
would be-
I'm the disciplinarian. She's
He's-
out of
I feel like Courtney can really get down. Like,
No, if I have to, I will.
I figured you could. I
Yeah.
can see it in you. You have that
Yeah.
little feisty. You
Yeah.
might be little, but you're like the small but mighty.
Small
What
but
about
mighty,
for us?
yeah.
Who's the most strict with us?
Oh, come on. We already know the answer
Yeah,
to that.
that's true.
It's definitely me.
That
It's
one
definitely me.
there.
All right, you guys. Well, thank you so much for being on the
Yes.
Flipside Couch.
That
Thank
was
you so
fun.
much for being at GYTO Fest 2025.
Our pleasure.
We know
Thank
this
you for
isn't the
having
last that we'll see of you because you guys just keep coming back and supporting us. And thank you so much for being here. And we can't wait to get this event started.
Mario
So
and Courtney
we will
Lopez.
see you for the next episode on the flip side. We gotta say it. Wait. We gotta
Yeah,
say
we
it.
gotta do it again.
Okay, I'm gonna say catch you on, and then everybody's gonna say the flip
The
side.
flip
Got it? That's
side.
how we're gonna end it. Here we go. All right, we'll catch you on
The
flip
flip
side.
side.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.